Okay, so we're finishing up the first stage of this. As you can see, um, got a good amount down. You see this pile over here, as well as some over there that we're starting to stack up. But the idea is that we're getting it all away from the overgrowth. And again, we're maintaining the height, 25 to 30 feet, somewhere thereabouts. Now, that tree in the background there, the one that's higher than what's already been cut down, that I'm going to leave some height with because I think it does add, just visually, I think it looks nice. And it does provide a certain amount of shade. But also, again, we're going to get rid of all of this overgrowth along the way. So as we go forward and we get rid of this overgrowth, we'll figure out what to do with that tree. I'm going to video it from the other side. All right, so this is the opposite perspective from the backyard. And so that big tree is going to look really pretty sticking up out of there. We just got to clear out all of that, that excess. Also, these are looking really nice. They're nicely cut, nicely manicured. Still plenty of privacy, and this little bit of trimming that we're doing will inspire growth, and it'll make them healthier and more full. Same thing along over here. These ficus hedges, we have them trimmed down, and we shaved the front off. And again, it'll promote growth. Good pruning is always a good thing for these types of bushes and everything. So all looking good. And what I'm gonna do over here, because this is the vacant lot behind us, I wouldn't mind cleaning up a little bit of this tree, just for a better aesthetic look. And I'm gonna clean up some of this a little bit also. Okay, that's about it for now.